So this is the last of topic 2.2 and 2.3. We're going to be identifying parts of the derivative just so you can make sure you're understanding where these parts are coming from. So we have limits below that represent f prime of c, and then a function f and the number c. We're supposed to figure out what f and c are actually equal to. So in this first one here, remember we're looking for c to kind of be a number value or represented by maybe just an x. So I'm looking at this right here. That piece has to be the c. Remember, it was c plus h in that first formula, so c equals 9. And then the f of x is whatever we're plugging in the x plus c. Remember, it's the square root of maybe c plus h. So I would replace this c plus h with an x. So that means that my function f of x equals the square root of x. So looking at this next piece, I'm looking at where did I substitute. Looks like I substituted in something. So it looks like right in here I substituted something into the cubed. That is likely my c value, right? Because it's the only number I have, so -3. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this entire piece with an x, and that should get me my function. So let's try that. So f of x equals 2 plus, that whole thing is going to get replaced with an x cubed. All right, let's look at this last one. So again, I need to figure out what the c value is, and the c value is typically what's first. So I'm noticing this is a repeated thing being put in. So my c value in this case has to be the x. And then I'm going to take anywhere where I have this x plus delta x, and I'm going to substitute in just a plain x. So I would get, for my function, it would be x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x, and then I have to be careful because I still need that -7. And if you notice, look at, that's exactly what it said back here, which was part of the formula where it tells us what f of x is. I'm not going to worry about this box that says differentiation. I think we defined it earlier, so we're good.